Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe here, bringing you guys back with another video, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I know I am. So I want to get right into it. Today's going to be a quick how-to video for you guys because I want to show you guys a really simple way of installing any type of mods that you want to install and play on Minecraft. It's really simple, guys. They made it way easier for us to be able to install the mods instead of having to download Forge and do all of this stuff. So guys, let me show you really quick how it's done. Alright, first things first, you're going to want to hit the link in the description, guys. I'm going to leave a link down there. You're going to click on it. It's going to bring you directly to this page right here. It's going to bring you to the Cursed Forge page. Once you're here, you're going to click on download for Windows, or if you have a Mac, download for your Mac. But I have a Windows, so I download it for Windows. Once you download it, it will open up. You will see this. You want to click on Minecraft and then install it. And then once you have Minecraft, basically you're just going to click on it. You're going to have to log in eventually to your Minecraft account. So if you don't have one, you won't be able to do this. But yeah, so basically once you have it, once your Minecraft's done, you click on it. Now, you're going to get this, right? Now, if you guys notice this, obviously this is from my Minecraft mod pack. I teach you guys how to create your own mod pack, any version you want, any mods you want, anything. If you guys haven't checked it out, go link in the description. I'll leave a link there, or I'll leave a card up above. Just click on it. It'll bring you directly to that video. But anyways, so real quick, once you have the Cursed Forge and you have the Minecraft installed, you're going to get this, right? Yours might not look like this. These are mod packs that I've already installed and that I'm using. Again, you guys will probably have absolutely nothing here. So the first thing you're going to want to do, of course, you can always go up here. You have the option to also browse mod packs. So you can go ahead and just browse mod packs, like all the mods here. This mod pack looks sick, actually. I might even get involved in this mod pack. It looks pretty cool, all the mods. It looks really cool, actually. I might get it. So there's that mod pack right there. Or you could come over to this option, right? And you can click up here, create custom profile. Once you're up here, you can name your profile. So I'll just name it test, for example, if I can spell. Okay. Now, down here, you're going to pick the Minecraft version you want, which is really simple. Any type of, it goes all the way up back to 1.0, right? 1.0 Minecraft. So if you guys want to play on the 1.16.5, go ahead. The latest, 16.4. Again, the lower version, the more mods there most likely will be. So I'm just going to go ahead and do like 1.11.2 for fun, or maybe even we'll do 1.12.2. And automatically, if you guys notice, it will automatically select a Forge for you. So before, you would actually have to download Forge, install it to your Minecraft, and then install the mods in the mods folder. But now all you literally have to do is literally name it, pick the Minecraft version you want, and it'll automatically pick the Forge for you that you need. So once you have this done, you're just going to click create, obviously. And then now you have your mod pack right here created. If you click on the mod pack, at this point, you get your resource packs, your maps, and your installed mods. Okay. Now, you'll see these three little bars up here. You're just going to want to click on them. Or, sorry. I do apologize. You're going to click on add more content right here. So, as you can see, there's a million mods, guys. Like, a million. You can even filter them. You can pick what kind of mods you want. Like, there's categories. These are the most popular mods. Just not enough item. Craft tweaker, cooking blockheads, foam fix, chicken, code chicken, biomes of plenty. So this is just showing you basically all of the Minecraft mod packs or Minecraft mods that are the most popular. Now, also, guys, I might add the Twilight Forest actually to my mod pack. If you guys haven't achieved my mod pack, Let's Play World's Hardest Mod Pack, go check it out. And it's really fun, guys. It's extremely hard, but basically, look, even chisels and bits, you can basically get any mod you want. You can even come up here and search the mod if you want. So let's say you want to like find mods for like mobs, right? So you'd write mobs, and it will literally show you all the mods you can get, right? So all you have to do, so let's say basically you find a mod you want. Okay, so you find the mod you want. For example, we're just gonna go with just not enough items here. That's all you gotta do. You literally just have to click on install, guys. That's it. Like, you just click install. That's it. Once that's done, you're gonna click the X up here, and as you can see right here, you have it installed already, right? Perfect. Now, one thing I do want to also tell you guys about is they don't have Optifine up here. So if you do want to get Optifine, you're gonna have to you're gonna have to actually go to optifine.com, download it for the Minecraft version you're playing, and then just throw it into your mods folder. Okay, and how you can do that is go in your mod pack, you can click these 3 little dots and open folder, and it will bring you literally directly to the folder you need. You click on mods, and there you go. There's your mods folder. You can just drag in Optifine, and that's it, guys. So just to show you guys that it worked, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna jump into Minecraft here, and I'll show you guys in just a second. So one quick thing also I did want to mention, obviously to open up the mod pack and play, you're gonna have to click play, right? So once you click play, it'll open up your Minecraft launcher. Now at this point, you're gonna have to sign in. This is where you sign into your Minecraft, your Mojang account, and then you're gonna be able to play. Now as you guys can see, it's already picked for me. So guys, when you're on this option, all you gotta do is click play. Okay, do not change any of this. All you have to do is click play, and that's it. That's all, guys. It's done and over with. Just click I understand, there's no risk, and yeah, that's it. You're gonna click play. So I'm gonna see you guys in the game, guys. All right, guys, so here we are on the Minecraft here that we just launched up. As you guys see, it says 5 mods. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure why it says that, because we only have Minecraft Coders Pack. I guess these are the mods that originally come with it right here. And then right here, here's the mod that we installed, and you can always disable it from here also if you want. But guys, let me go ahead. I'm gonna hop in the world. I'm just gonna show you guys really quick that you have just not enough items, and it's that easy to install mods now, guys. You might also get this option sometimes where if you download a mod, it might not, when you open your Minecraft launcher, it might say, hey, there's an issue with your Minecraft, and it'll tell you which mod is not working well. So maybe some mods are not like, it does happen, right? Some mods aren't going to be perfect and whatever. So but if I open up, as you guys can see, I have just not enough items, right? So it's that simple, guys. That's literally all you have to do is just basically click install, and that's it. You're literally done. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate all the love and support, guys. We're at 80 subscribers. I cannot thank you guys enough. I am so excited. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it, guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, guys. Adios.